In this video, we are going to understand about the Excel interface. That is, whenever you open a blank worksheet for the first time, what things do you need to consider and how you can read different data through it. What is cells, what is columns, what is rows. I'll just explain you quickly and then we will move into more advanced functions. So when we see this Excel sheet for the first time, we have A, B, C, D up to Z. That is columns, means all the alphabets are columns. And on our left, we have some numbers that goes beyond 1 billion. So all of these rows are denoted in numbers and all the columns are in alphabets. So this is all about the columns and rows, but when we click on any particular box, as you can see here, we have boxes all around the sheet. When we click on any box, you will automatically notice that this H is highlighted from here, and from here, 7th is highlighted. That means we are in the H column and 7th row. This is the address of this cell. This box is called cell, and you also find the address right here in the name box on your left. So that's about it. This is a simple blank spreadsheet. And if you want to explore some functions, we will look into all of these menus like home tab, insert tab, page layout, but we will not learn about each functions theoretically. Rather, we will implement that on a practical project that you can find with the resources section of that particular video. So in the next video, we will learn how we can work on these cells, but with more productivity and smart techniques. So just try this by yourself. Just click on different cells, see if you can identify the cell numbers, and I'll see you in the next one.